Step 1. Right-click on your desktop and select New from the drop-down menu. Write C, Windows, System 3.2, slide to Shutdown, X and click Next. Whatever you like, such as Shutdown or Power Off, and click Finish. To change the icon of the Shutdown button shortcut, right-click on it and select Properties. Then choose Change Icon and select the desired shutdown icon that you downloaded earlier. Finally, click Apply and then OK. Click on the button whenever you want to shut down your computer. That's it. Enjoy the convenience of having quick and easy access to the shutdown function. Right-click on your desktop and select New, and then Shortcut. In the Create Shortcut window, type Shutdown per second per T0 without the quotes in the location field. Click Next and give the shortcut a name, such as Shutdown. Click Finish to create the shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Then click on Change Icon and choose your desired shutdown icon. Once you have selected the icon, click OK and then Apply to save the changes. This process will allow you to personalize your shutdown shortcut and give it a unique and recognizable icon that matches your preferences or needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tricks.